Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to deposit money on MEXC exchange. This tutorial will be quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and also leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now on MEXC, if you want to deposit fiat money, you will need to do is, all you need to do is click on buy crypto and then choose any of these options. I'm just going to choose credit or debit card. And from here you can buy with, for example, USD, you can buy USDT or USDC. And then you will have this Tether coin. And now with USDT, for example, you're gonna go on spot and buy crypto right there. Now, if you want to deposit crypto, you will go here on wallets, for example, and click deposit. Now you will see this option. Now you're gonna select the cryptocurrency you want to select and deposit here, Ethereum. Now the network needs to be the same as from the exchange you are transferring it to. So for example, you're going to transfer through Arbitrum 1. From here, you're going to click to generate the address and you will see your address and you're going to copy it. And for example, for this example, let's use Binance. And on Binance on assets, I'm just going to click withdraw, choose the same coin, and the network needs to be Arbitrum, and enter the address here, which you have copied, and then click withdraw. So that's basically it. That's how you deposit to MEXC account. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.